Seer is Sentry's AI debugging agent, and you can use it to automatically create PRs to fix the problems that are hitting your applications that are reported in Sentry. Let's check it out. So a few of our issues have this quick fix annotation on them. Seer will automatically scan every issue that comes into an environment if you have it turned on, and it'll determine a fixability score for all of them. The ones that have this quick fix rating, it has a high confidence can be fixed easily with Seer. So if we jump in, we can come in and see the solution that it determines. So Seer uses the logs, distributed traces, stack traces, the error message, your code repo to really understand the root cause of why something was breaking and then give you the solution and what it thinks will actually fix it. But wouldn't it be great if that was actually just a PR that you could review, and if the code looked good, go ahead and just merge? We can come and enable that here by doing enable automation. Or if you want to work against multiple projects, you can come in, choose Seer automation, and drop into your project. I'm going to plug in my project here. And now I can come in and check these boxes and interact with multiple of them to turn on different configurations, or I can jump into them individually. So in here, I have issue scan already turned on, and I can choose when I want to auto trigger the fix to run. So I like to set mine as minimally actionable or above because I have a pretty high confidence that Seer is always going to give me good insights to actually fixing problems. From here, we can choose what it does. So does it just go through the solution step and tell you what's broken? I like to have it go and create the pull request that I can actually just review and decide if the code is good to go ahead and merge. From here, I can go ahead and add the repo so that Seer has access to the code base and it knows where to actually assign that pull request to, and I'm good to go. Now, as new issues come into my environment, issue scan is going to run against them, find out which ones are fixable, and automatically create that pull request for me. We'd love for you to try out the automations in Seer. Let us know how they go and how we can make them better. Talk to you soon.